Ever since I was young, I've never been a morning person. Um, and I wouldn't say I'm a fantastic morning person now, but I definitely am waking up a lot fresher. And I seem I even wake up before my alarm goes off, which is good. I'm getting up once in the night to go to the toilet instead of 3 or 4 times, which is really good too. I recently had my 5th treatment for snoring and sleep apnea with NightLase, and I'm here today to go over the results. Originally, the sleep studies showed that I had moderate bordering on severe sleep apnea and loud snoring, and the second study that I've just done is showing that my snoring is now soft and my sleep apnea is greatly reduced. The other thing I've noticed is that I can really feel that my soft palate is a lot smaller in my throat. It seems easier to breathe even when I'm awake, which is an amazing feeling. And I'm waking up a lot fresher. I think there's still a level of sleep apnea there, but it's so much better than what it was. The process of the treatments, I've been really happy with it. There's mild discomfort while you're actually getting the treatment, but the next day you pull up fine. It's a very mild sore throat. There's a pretty strong history of heart disease in my family, and apparently there's a really strong correlation between sleep apnea and heart disease, so I think it's a really good thing for me and other members of my family to do that. I've been encouraging a cousin of mine who's got chronic sleep apnea to also do it. He had a heart attack at 42 last year, so he's very interested. And quite a few of my friends have had treating their sleep apnea with other things like CPAP machines and things like that, but they're very interested in this too because you're not having to rely on a device at night to get you through the night. You can sleep naturally, which is great.